Greetings everyone. Today it's a new day and today we will talk about how we can use few tricks to type fast in our smartphones. So without wasting time, let's hop into the video. So the first method is a very simple method to type in smartphones which most of the people use, which is to use both of your thumbs to type something, as in hi, I am somebody, and this is one way people do it. The second method is to change the orientation of your smartphone and then type like a keyboard. So we will change our orientation to landscape and then we will type it like we type in our keyboards. Hi, I am somebody. And that's how you can type faster. And the third method is to use recommendations which are available on our screens, on our keyboards upper screen, like hi, hi, I am someone, this way. Also, to enable the setting of suggestions, what we have to do is go to settings of the keyboard, go to more, go to input, and then there is this certain single option of show correction suggestions. That is what we have to tick to use that certain method, and you have to use the next word suggestion also, so do check that too. The next method is to use swipe gestures on the keyboard to type faster. This certain method does require some precision and experience, so it might take some time in the initial stages, but as you get hold of it, you will get better on it. Like hi, I am. See. Thanks for watching our video. Now if you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And it's me, Krish, signing off from Gossipfunda. Have a good day.